Hi there, I'm Paul Offhouse, pastor at St. John Lutheran Church, and here really excited about West Central Coffee that is opening on June 19th here in Fort Wayne. We are really excited to welcome the neighborhood.
Hi, my name is Bruce Robinson, and I'm going to be the general manager here at West Central Coffee. This is a nice old historic building, and we've tried to keep all the historic features that we could intact in the building and renovated everything we could. It's turned out really nice. It's taken us a while to get going, but I think it's worth the wait. The back room that we have here, we call it the music room because it's set up for music and has a stage.
And we'll be following all CDC guidelines, including masks and other items. In the meantime, we do have information already out on Facebook, Instagram, and our website is www.westcentralcoffee.com. We're also taking applications or interest or any questions you might have at info@westcentralcoffee.com. Look forward to seeing you here in the neighborhood at 1006 Broadway.